Hello, good afternoon or good evening. My name is Sam. I am Venetian 22. We are going to talk about previous research on anthropocentrism in movies. Before we're going to the next slide, I'm going to centrism is a worldview that considers humans in the universe. So basically, it's saying that humans rules and the other nature or living creature. Uh, and here is my research question. The first one is how are the humans represented in an anthropocentrism movies? What and the second is what are the effects if anthropocentrism beliefs or philosophy are done in real life? On the next slide, we will talk about the previous research about this certain topic. The first one is anthropomorphic anthropocentrism and the rhetoric of blackfish, published in 2016, written by Loretta Rowley and Kevin A. Johnson. So, Blackfish is a 2013 documentary film about an orca who lived in SeaWorld. And these are the research question. The first one is of orcas in Blackfish is more about what it means to be a human. Second is what is the importance of anthropocentrism as an analytical tool. And the methods of this research are examine transformed into humans through anthropomorphic rhetoric and considers the human epistemological assumption reflected by such discourse with anthropocentrism concept. And the results are first, anthropomorphic anthropocentrism suggests that Blackfish is more than a story of orcas in captivity. And the second is Blackfish may reflect human discourses about criminality. Perhaps the story is a reflection of our anxieties of living our own human made place that divide us from each other. The conclusion from this research is reminded that those stories will be told by humans with human values and sensation with anthropomorphic about ourselves, while also taking through the paradoxes of the ecological and environmental frameworks. And the second is critic of anthropocentrism in Avatar. This is about the sci-fi 2009-2017 written by Hari Krishna Lamikne. The research questions are how the future of the world due to human and of nature exploitation throughout the movie. And the methods of this research is analyzing biocentric view, extension of ethics of broadening human conception, global community to include non-human life form, the physical environment and nature in literature with a critical approach. And the results are first, human beings are the part of nature and they cannot be separated from it. Second, human activities are connected to nature that will directly and indirectly affect it. And the conclusion from this research is the nature exploitation that is taking place rapidly today that will invite apocalypse in near future if it is not controlled in time. And last but not least, the third research is anthropocentrism in the Jurassic World movie. The Jurassic World movie is and this research published in 2017, uh, made by Marcelina Putri. The research question is how do human actions reflect anthropocentrism in Jurassic World? Analyzing the anthropocentrism point of view, which is reflected in humans' action in the Jurassic World movie. And the results are first is human exploitation towards the animal as an object of entertainment because humans see animals as a tool or object to get money. And the second is the use of technology that opposes nature, in which humans utilize technology to exploit animals. And the conclusion is anthropocentrism perspective leads to bad impacts on the life other, of other living creatures. Here are the references from my PPT. The research gap between these three are they have the same approach, which is anthropocentrism, but the first one is more like about the the point of view. The first research is about the colonization on the indigenous people, And the third one is more about exploitation of animals. Thank you for listening.